Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an exam in one day. First, immediately assess your exam scope and identify the most crucial topics. Allocate approximately 60% of your available time to these high-priority areas. Next, organize your study materials, ensuring everything is easily accessible. This initial planning phase, taking about 15 minutes, is vital for maximizing your limited preparation time and focusing your efforts effectively. Now, let's dive into active learning. Instead of passively rereading, actively test yourself. Spend about 45 minutes on practice questions or flashcards for each major topic. Try to explain complex ideas in your own words, as if teaching someone else. This method, known as the Feynman technique, significantly boosts retention and helps identify knowledge gaps quickly, making your limited study time highly efficient. Even with limited time, strategic breaks are crucial. For every 50 minutes of intense study, take a 10-minute break to rest your mind. During these breaks, avoid screens and perhaps do some light stretching. Ensure you stay well hydrated and consume brain-boosting snacks like fruits or nuts. Aim for a minimum of 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before. It's more beneficial than cramming. On exam day, a quick 20-minute review of your most challenging concepts or summary notes can be very effective. Arrive at the exam venue 15 minutes early, ensuring you have all required materials, such as pens, calculators, or identification. Take a few deep breaths to calm any nerves. Trust in your preparation, even if it was condensed, and approach each question thoughtfully and strategically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.